In this guide, you will learn how to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. Let's get started. First, launch your CapCut, click on the option New Project. Now from your gallery, select two videos. By default, CapCut will place one video after the other on the timeline, but we want both videos playing at the same time. Tap on the second video in the timeline. Then swipe through the options at the bottom until you find Overlay and tap on it. This places the second video on the top of the first. Now drag that overlay dip to the beginning of the timeline so both videos start at the same time. Next, tap on the bottom video and drag it downward on the preview screen. Then tap on the top video and move it upward so they sit one above the other. If the overlay looks messy, don't worry, we can fix that. Tap on the overlay video again, swipe all the way to the right and select Mask. Choose Horizontal, which cleanly splits the screen between two videos. Use two fingers to adjust the mask position until it looks right, then confirm it. If the split feels off, simply adjust the position of each clip until both videos align perfectly. You can always tweak the mask or positioning to match your style, and once it looks good, your split screen video is ready to export. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.